Hello everyone, today I will review this set of screwdrivers that I get from Gearbest. So it have a aluminum alloy case with push like button. It have a magnetic case, so if you turn it around it doesn't fall, and it have a lot of bits that are secretly with a secret like hexagonal, and this one have a point inside and so on, yeah, like this one or this one. And to test it out I have a phantom drone. I couldn't find a screwdriver for motors, so I ordered this kit. So let me check what we have here, and let me try this one first. No, bigger one. Maybe this one. Nope, even bigger. This one. Yes, so it have a magnetic grip. So let me do it again. Focus. Yes, good. And let me try. Yes, good, working. Yeah, you see, it have a hexagon. Yeah, this is not correct one, but this will do. I think I can look for correct. Probably this one is. Let me try again. Yeah, so this one works better. So let me put it this back. Try it. Yes. So the quality of the screwdriver is very good. It have a spinning top as well, so you can put a finger like that. And ta-da! Also it have a, we can try this one as well, smaller one. Yes. So torture test is passed. Yeah, and as I said, it have a magnetic, so when you put it, it doesn't fall. And I think this one have a magnetic too. Okay, and put it back. And that booms, done. So thank you for watching, like us and subscribe.